start with my right leg. I'm gonna find stability here. Bend the knee. The lower you go, the more you're sending your knee forward, hip back. And then once you're on the bottom, reach that back leg. See if you can stretch it more. Hold it here. Pressurize the arch. Push into the towel. Extend the knee and lift. I want you to spend about 5 seconds on the bottom, fighting that back foot going behind you. Head goes forward, working on pressurizing the towel. Good. 2. Nice one. And then on the top, send your knee back in space, extend that front knee.